Hi sellers, welcome to this video on completing the registration process, a critical step to activate your account and begin selling successfully on Amazon. In this walkthrough, we'll guide you through the key steps of registration, from entering business details to completing identity and bank verification, so you can move forward smoothly. To begin, create a new account on Seller Central and click on Get Started. Then select India as the country of business. Choose the type of business. Check the confirmation box confirming the details and click Agree and Continue. You'll now be asked to enter your business information. Fill in details such as your business name. Make sure the business name you enter in the registration form exactly matches the name on your GST certificate, as you will be required to upload this document at a later stage. Company registration number. Registered business address. The address you enter should match the address shown on your supporting document, such as a bank statement or utility bill. For example, a telephone or electricity bill, and phone number. Once all the required information is entered, click Next. You'll now move on to the seller information section, where you'll continue setting up your account. Here, you'll begin with primary contact information. Enter all the required details exactly as they appear on your official documents to avoid verification issues later, including name. The individual's name must exactly match the name on the identity proof being submitted. Please enter the full name, including the middle name, exactly as it appears on the identity document. Country of citizenship, date of birth, country of issue. Select an identity proof from the drop-down menu. You can choose from a driver's license, Aadhaar card, PAN card, or passport. Identity number. If your identity proof does not have an expiry date, for example, an Aadhaar card or PAN card, you can leave the expiry date field blank. Address, and select the required fields. Once done, confirm your commitment to keep beneficial ownership details up to date by selecting the checkbox and click Next. You will now be asked to enter your payment details. Complete the required fields, ensure your credit or debit card is enabled for international transactions, and then click Add your card to proceed. And select the billing address by clicking Use this address. This will bring you to the Store and Product Information section. Provide the store name and select the required fields and click Next to proceed. Before starting identity verification, you'll see a quick checklist of do's and don'ts for document uploads. These guidelines help ensure your documents are accepted without delays. Make sure that images are clear and easy to read. All four corners of the document are visible. Text is not blurred, cropped, or covered. The document is valid and not expired. Once you've reviewed the guidelines, click OK to continue. In the Business Information section, upload your business registration document. Then, select the appropriate proof of address from the drop-down menu and continue. Next, in the Primary Contact Information section, upload your Aadhaar card, including both the front and back of the document. Select the required proof of address from the drop-down menu. Now, upload the letter of authorization and click Next to proceed. Click here to know more about letter of authorization. You'll then be prompted to add and verify your bank account details, which will be used to receive your disbursements. Select your bank location and enter the account holder name, account type, IFSC code, and bank account number. Once all details are entered, click Set Deposit Method and then select Continue to move ahead. On the Identity Verification page, choose one of the available verification methods. For this process, we'll select Take a photo of your face, which allows real-time identity confirmation. Click Next. You'll then be asked to provide consent for data collection. Review the information, select the consent checkbox and click Next. Now, click Start Identity Check to begin the verification process. Here, select the country where your identity document was issued. Then choose the type of identity document. Grant your system permission to access the camera. Align your ID card within the on-screen frame and capture a clear photo. Ensure all details are sharp, readable, and well lit. If the image isn't clear, you can retake the photo until you are satisfied. Once ready, click Use this photo. The system will now process your document. If the image is accepted, you will be prompted to take a live photo of yourself. Position your face within the frame, remove any accessories, and ensure proper lighting. Follow the on-screen instructions and capture the photo. After successful submission, close the verification window to continue. Next, upload the bank account statement to verify your bank details. The business name must be visible on the bank account statement submitted as proof of account. Click Upload Bank Statement. Review the upload guidelines and select Got it to continue. When you're ready, click Upload a bank statement, choose the file, and click Done. Once the document is uploaded, confirm the on-screen details by selecting the required checkboxes and click Submit to proceed. Your registration verification process is now complete. Once verification is approved, you can start selling on Amazon. Thank you for watching.